Hello everyone, this is Jude from BleevIn Technologies. Today, I'm gonna show you how to install fans on the Veddha 6-bay mining case. So here are all the components you need to install fans. All these components are coming from the Veddha Mining Case package. The package doesn't include fans, so you need to buy this separately. There are two kinds of very similar screws in the package. One is longer, the other one is shorter. So we're gonna use the longer ones for installed fans. For the 6-bay mining case, you need 5 fans. So firstly, we're gonna assemble the fans before we actually put it onto the rig. Then I'm gonna put away the fans first. I will put the collectors on the table. Now I'm gonna show you how to install the fans. So firstly, remember you should put the logo side down and the Molex power cable towards yourself. For each fan, it needs one grit. This grit can protect yourself from getting hurt. And you use screwdrivers to screw screws into each corner of the fan. There are two kinds of screwdrivers, and you should use the same one. Now I finished assembling the fans. It looks like this. So I'm gonna start to put the fans on the rig. First we put screws and nuts on the 4 corners. Okay, now I'm gonna slide the fan into the grid. You can tighten the screws. Now we need to connect fans to the power supply. Firstly, we're gonna collect all the fans serially. Now all the fans are serially collected, so we're gonna collect fans to the Molex power cord from the power supply. Okay, that's done. Now everything's connected. Let's turn on the power switch to see how it works. Woo! Everything worked. So if you have any questions about how to install fans on a mining case, please visit our YouTube channel. We have another video to show you how to install the mining case. Also, you can leave comments of your questions. You can click the link below to visit our store. You can buy the latest product of the GPU mining there. Happy mining and keep believing. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.